You might be wondering, what do shoes have to do with yoga? Am I not supposed to be barefoot when doing yoga? While performing yoga flows barefoot is considered to be the original technique that everyone seemed to adhere to, now there is more to it. Companies focusing on developing yoga equipment have found the gap in the market and created an accessory that would be beneficial for many. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best yoga shoes on the market. We have made our research and this list reflects our opinion. We have listed products based on quality, durability, price, feature, consumer feedback, and more. Our goal is to create a proper shopping guide so that our viewers can make the best choice. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Footwear Dry Aqua Yoga Socks. Although this model of shoes was originally designed to be used in water conditions, yogis from across the world have joined the club and are now actively using it for their spiritual practices. And this is not surprising, these shoes are comfortable and lightweight enough to feel like your second skin. The rubber sole along with the elastic fabric allows you to stretch and bend as much as you want without feeling restricted. Their minimalistic design makes them fit your foot like a glove, no bulkiness is involved whatsoever. In addition, they are waterproof. Yes, you've heard, read it right, they are perfectly compatible with hot and Bikram yoga. Your arch will also be supported by the protective construction of these yoga shoes. Bring them with you to the yoga studio next to your house or use them at home. These Footwear yoga shoes will serve you well in both of the scenarios. Number 2. Barun Barefoot Pool Surf Yoga Shoes. We bet you haven't seen shoes more flexible and skin-like than the Barun Barefoot ones. These slip-ons were designed to imitate your foot and thus are extremely lightweight and flexible. They are stretchy to the point where you are able to fold and fit them in your pocket, not that you will ever do this, but this is still an option. You will find them to be drying quickly, hugging your foot tightly and moving with you without any restrictions. Yoga is meant to be done with peace of mind and zero injuries, which is the reason why a pair of rubberized shoes like these will come in handy. At times you will even forget that you are wearing something on your feet, that's how comfortable they are. With over 40 patterns to choose from, you can hardly go wrong with a pair of yoga shoes that is this affordable. Number 3. Mishansha Men's Women's Water and Yoga Shoes. Here's another pair of sneakers that receive the right to be called yoga shoes for a reason, they are just this supportive and comfortable. Mishansha incorporated a stretchy and breathable material that allows for air to flow in and out into the shoes, which makes them an appealing find. Equally suitable for water sports, these yoga shoes have drainage holes and a rubber sole for that sweat resistance and stability when holding that tree pose. The straps are elastic, meaning that you won't have to be continuously tying your shoes and wasting your time on this chore. Instead, you will be able to enjoy your yoga practice with an easy take-on and take-off mechanism made possible by the elastic straps. They make it easy for you to secure your shoes in an instant and no things we like. No need to tie your shoes, the elastic straps eliminate this need. Number 4. Capezio Women's Daisy Ballet Shoe. Initially designed to be worn by ballet dancers, the Capezio shoes have become a go-to for many yogis. And it's not surprising, the flats are made from an elastic leather that gives your feet that barely there feel while also supporting it and offering the much-needed protection. The drawstring keeps your feet from slipping off just as the pre-sewn elastic that hugs your foot perfectly well. The lining of the shoes is made of satin, which provides you with additional comfort when performing those demanding flows. There is even a tag "This belongs to" built into the shoes so that you never lose your favorite pair of yoga shoes. What differentiates this accessory from others on this list is the various widths you can choose when adding them to your cart. Since everyone tends to have different shapes of feet, this feature is particularly appealing. Specs and features. Material, leather, satin. Number 5. Sanuk Women's Yoga Sling 2 Sandal. These yoga shoes designed by Sanuk are perhaps the most yoga-looking shoes you will find on this list. They combine the best of both worlds, the comfort of flip-flops and the support of sandals. The soft fabric wrap sticks tightly to your feet to give you confidence when moving from one pose to another. That said, it is breathable enough to allow the air to flow in and out and eliminate the possibility of sweat buildup. You don't need a yoga mat when having these sling shoes on as they have a padded footbed that feels just like the mat. This padding prolongs the amount of time you can spend wearing the shoes due to its squashy yet durable construction. And, let's face it, there is not much fun doing yoga when your feet are aching from the uncomfortable support. Specs and features. Material, eco-friendly rubber, cotton. Design, flip-flops with a wrap. Please like, comment, share and subscribe and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you like this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.